Estimation of the population size of animals. A population is a group of organisms from same species which interbreed and live in the same area at the same time. In many ecological studies, we need to have an idea about the population sizes. We can determine the population sizes by either taking the direct total counts, census, or estimations. When the population is very large or not easy to count all individuals, we use estimations using samples to determine population sizes. A sample is a portion of total population. There are two commonly used methods to estimate population sizes using samples. They are capture, recapture, and removal methods. Capture and recapture methods consist of two different calculation methods: single mark release recapture method or Lincoln index and multiple mark release recapture method or Schnabel method. Since removal methods are very disruptive, we usually go with capture and recapture methods. This capture recapture method involves marking of several individuals in a natural population, returning them to the same population, and subsequently recapturing samples as a basis for estimating the size of the population. Both Lincoln and Schnabel indexes are correspondent to the time of marking and releasing. In the single mark release recapture method, animals are collected once using an appropriate sampling technique and released back with an identifiable marking. If we assume the population of size n, suppose m organisms were captured from the population, marked, and then released back into the population. Then again n organisms were captured, and among them m number of organisms were identified as previously marked or the recaptured individuals. N, or the population size, can be estimated using the formula. Anyway, this single mark release recapture method or Lincoln index has a higher error. So we move into a more advanced and precise estimation using the Schnabel method. This can be calculated as a summation of the previous method, Lincoln index. In today's practical, we use chickpea as animals in a population. As the first sample capture, we take 1 cup of chickpea out from the sample. These captured animals or chickpeas are marked using a black marker to identify them in the subsequent captures. We write down the numbers on a piece of paper, identifying this as the first sampling session. Then we release these 19 chickpeas again back to its population. Now we know animals can naturally mix up within their population, but this time we do it manually. Time to capture the second sample. Here we have 2 previously marked chickpeas. We identify them as the recaptured sample. Also, we have 28 newly captured chickpeas, totaling of 30 captures for the second sampling session. If you want, you can estimate the Lincoln index at this point, but we move into next steps for better accuracy of the population size estimation. In the third sampling session, we get 27 newly captured chickpeas and 4 recaptured chickpeas. So on fourth sampling session, there are 35 newly captured chickpeas along with 8 recaptured chickpeas. For this practical, we do a fifth sampling session as the final. Now the numbers are completed and we know the formula as well. The Schnabel estimation is the summation of total number of previously marked animals at time I, m, multiplied by the number of captured at time I, c, divided by the summation of the number of marked animals captured at time I or the number of recaptures r. Expanding the formula, we can assign numbers to calculate the estimation like this. The estimated number of population O n is 696. Anyway, we counted all the chickpeas in this basket. There are exactly 704 chickpeas. So we know our estimation of 696 for Schnabel index is very accurate compared to the previous Lincoln index. However, mark recapture method gives a rough estimation considering wild populations, because these numbers get altered due to many reasons such as animal deaths, escapes, and migration.